Commusoft doesn't list a simple universal monthly price, because the cost changes based on business size, number of users, and which field service tools you activate inside the platform. That's why two companies in the same trade can end up paying completely different monthly totals. By the end, you'll understand how Commusoft pricing is structured, what actually drives the cost up, and whether it makes sense for a small team, or only for established service companies. Commusoft is field service management software built for plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and similar service businesses. It combines customer management, job scheduling, invoicing, and technician workflows in one system. The pricing reflects that it replaces multiple separate tools instead of acting like a single-purpose app. The first factor that affects cost is team size. Commusoft is built around users, so a one-person operation pays significantly less than a company with office staff, dispatchers, and multiple field technicians all needing access at the same time. The second factor is feature level. Basic setups focus on core CRM functions like customer records, job tracking, and appointment scheduling. Higher cost setups typically add automation, advanced reporting, service agreements, and more detailed workflow tools for larger teams. The more you automate and centralize, the more expensive the plan becomes. The third factor is onboarding and setup. Commusoft is not designed as a plug-and-play app. Many companies require setup help to migrate customer data, configure job workflows, and train staff. That onboarding support can influence your total cost depending on how complex your operations are. The important part is how the pricing feels in real use. Commusoft is usually not positioned as a budget tool. It's built for companies that already have steady job flow and need to reduce missed appointments, improve technician scheduling, and keep customer communication organized in one place. For those businesses, the cost is often justified by fewer scheduling errors and less manual admin work. For smaller companies still tracking jobs manually or using basic spreadsheets, the price can feel high compared to simpler field service apps that only handle scheduling or invoicing without full CRM depth. So here's the summary. Commusoft pricing depends on users, features, and onboarding needs. It gets more expensive as you add automation and scale your team. It's best suited for established service businesses that need full operational control in one system. Next step is simple. Write down your current workflow tools and check which ones Commusoft would replace so you can see if the cost is actually new spending or just consolidation. If you want more breakdowns of field service software without marketing language, subscribe for more clear comparisons.